Ladies and gentlemen, get ready, because today we're diving into one of the most iconic, outrageous, and jaw-dropping motorcycles ever created, the Kawasaki Ninja H2. A bike so powerful, so advanced, and so unique, that it doesn't just belong on the road, it belongs in history. Stay with me till the end, because once you discover what makes this machine so special, you'll understand why the Ninja H2 is in a league of its own. Kawasaki introduced the Ninja H2 in 2015, and right from the start, it redefined what a superbike could be. This wasn't just another sports bike with a bigger engine or a flashier design, this was a supercharged masterpiece. Yes, you heard that right. While most bikes rely on naturally aspirated engines, Kawasaki equipped the H2 with a supercharger, making it the first production motorcycle of its kind. This wasn't just a marketing gimmick, it was Kawasaki's way of saying, we can build the fastest, most advanced road-legal bike in the world. Let's talk performance, because that's where the H2 makes jaws drop. At its heart, the H2 carries a 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine. But here's the twist: with its centrifugal supercharger, this beast produces over 228 horsepower in the street version. And if you look at the track-focused H2, it pushes past a mind-blowing 300 horsepower. To put that into perspective, most superbikes hover around 180 to 200 horsepower. The H2 laughs at those numbers and blasts way past. Top speed? The H2 easily crosses 330 km per hour, 205 miles per hour, depending on the variant. Acceleration? Brutal. It rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 3 seconds. This isn't just fast, this is hyperspeed on two wheels. Here's something most people don't know: Kawasaki didn't just use their motorcycle team to build the H2. They brought in their aerospace engineers. Yes, the same people who design jet turbines and aircraft wings helped craft this bike. Why? Because once you go past 300 km per hour, aerodynamics can make or break performance. That's why the H2 features carbon fiber winglets on its fairings, inspired directly from aircraft technology. These winglets generate downforce, helping the bike stay stable at insane speeds. Without them, the front wheel would be in the air every time you twisted the throttle. Now let's pause and admire the design. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a piece of art. The mirror-coated black paint is unlike anything else on the market. It literally looks like liquid metal, reflecting its surroundings in a futuristic way. The sharp lines, aggressive stance, and aerodynamic bodywork make it look like something straight out of a science fiction movie. The front end features a unique LED projector headlight with a menacing glare. When you see this bike parked, it demands attention. And when you hear it roar, people stop in their tracks. But what good is power without control? Kawasaki knew this machine needed advanced technology to tame the beast. That's why the H2 comes loaded with rider aids and electronics, such as Kawasaki Traction Control, KTRC, keeps the wheels from slipping during brutal acceleration. Kawasaki Intelligent Anti-Lock Braking System, KIBS, ensures precise braking at high speeds. Launch Control Mode for perfect starts off the line. Quick Shifter allowing lightning-fast gear shifts without using the clutch. TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, bringing modern smart features to the cockpit. And of course, one of the most unique details: the supercharger impeller, visible under the side fairing, spinning like a jet engine. It's like Kawasaki wanted to remind you, this isn't an ordinary bike. So what's it like to ride the Ninja H2? Imagine strapping yourself to a rocket. The acceleration pins you back, your vision blurs, and the world turns into a high-speed tunnel. But surprisingly, it's not unmanageable. The electronics keep everything under control, and the bike feels planted thanks to its chassis and suspension setup. It's not exactly a lightweight corner carver like a Ninja ZX-10R, but in terms of straight-line performance and road presence, nothing comes close. The exhaust note is deep, raw, and mechanical, and when that supercharger kicks in, you hear a distinct whining sound, almost like a fighter jet spooling up. So what makes the Kawasaki Ninja H2 truly unique? Let's recap. It's the only production motorcycle with a factory-fitted supercharger. It combines aerospace engineering with motorcycle technology. It delivers power levels unheard of in road bikes. Its design and paintwork make it one of the most futuristic-looking bikes in the world. And finally, it carries the legacy of Kawasaki pushing boundaries, showing the world what's possible when engineering has no limits. Of course, all this power, tech, and exclusivity come at a price. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 isn't cheap. Depending on the country and model, it can cost anywhere from $30,000 to over $55,000. And if you go for the track-only H2R, you're looking at a price tag close to $60,000 plus, and it's not even street legal. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a symbol. A symbol of what happens when engineers and designers are allowed to chase pure performance without compromise. It's a bike that rewrote the rulebook and gave us a glimpse into the future of motorcycling. If you ever get the chance to see one in person, hear one, or if you're lucky ride one, you'll realize why the Ninja H2 isn't just a bike, it's an experience. An experience that only a handful of machines in the world can deliver. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the legendary Kawasaki Ninja H2. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more epic bike reviews, and tell me in the comments if you had the chance, would you dare ride the H2 at full throttle? Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep the passion alive.